Hey guys, what's up? This is Chumley 105 here, and today we're doing some tuning on the 400EX here. Look at it. Getting it ready for our buddy Trey here. Just gonna get her dialed in and put her up for a bit. I think I'm about to run over it here. Okay guys, we're going to do a speed test here. I'm kind of curious to see how fast this thing will actually go. So we're going to try to top it out. So hang on to your hats. Let's see what that did there. 38 miles per hour. It's got more than that, I know it has to. Alright guys, that's where I'm going to end the video at today. The 400EX has a little bit more potential than that, I believe, but didn't really want to go much farther with it. Don't really need to go more than 46 miles per hour in a field, or anywhere for that matter. But I have an announcement, and we have a new vehicle here at Chumley 105. Not going to give too much away. Go to our Instagram to find out what it is. I'll put a link in the bio. But for those who don't want to go to our Instagram, you'll have to wait for the video. But I will give you a little bit of a peek. Maybe you guys can guess what it is. But until then, this is the only thing you get to look at. Like always, don't forget to like and subscribe. We appreciate your support here at Chumley 105, and we're almost to 300 subscribers, so hopefully we'll make that mark pretty soon. I'd like to do something pretty sick for that if we can get there. So tell your friends about me. I'd really appreciate it. And until next time, thanks for watching.